Good morning. This is Edge of the City weather, and we're going to be looking at next week's weather for the New York City area. As you see, as I move through this radar here, we're going to have a very stormy week next week. First storm approaches actually tonight, Friday night, and should be gone by Saturday, but as the usual pattern has been in the New York City area for the past couple of years during the winter, we've had a lot of rainy storms. We've been on the eastern side of these storms that have been moving through, and as a result, you're just seeing a lot of warm air pushed up from the south as they approach, and we get what you're seeing here tonight. A lot of rain coming through with the storm. Look at that blob of heavy rain tonight. This is Saturday around 1 a.m. in the morning. It seems to be, I believe that is 1 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, so then we will move ahead a little bit and see how this goes. Actually, I'm learning this with you guys, so let me just go back here. Oh, I see. So this is January 13th at 6 a.m. So that's Saturday at 6 a.m. Then it seems to move out by 12 p.m. And that's your Saturday for you. It should be clearing up. This is probably, from what I've heard, the forecast is saying this is going to be out by Saturday during the day, and it should clear up and just be gusty. A lot of winds, so let's move forward and see what else happens. Then we're expecting this, what might be the first snowstorm of the year, and I mean, actually, first snowstorm of what could be a couple of years in terms of significant snowstorms for New York City, coming up on Wednesday, I think it is. Let's take a look how this plays out in this weather model. You see things approaching, start to get going Tuesday, and this is going by 6 a.m. on now 9 a.m. on Wednesday. We're in a storm developing, and we have a shield of snow over the entire metropolitan area. Let's move forward a little. And then it's pretty much out by the evening or nighttime there. Let's go back a little and take a look at that. See how it approaches on Tuesday. Getting to be around midnight Tuesday, this is showing that we're going to be in the snow. And whether or not that plays out exactly like this is showing, I'm not sure. It might be a little bit later, but it is showing a significant snowstorm that does approach the New York City area right here Wednesday around 7 a.m. I think this is. You're seeing the storm off the coast when the storm is located right around there to the southeast of the city. You usually get a pretty strong area of snow covering the metropolitan area, and that is exactly what you're seeing here as it moves through. Go back and show you that again. Look how heavy that snow is right around. This is the strongest amount, and that's showing it to be around, approaching midnight on Tuesday. And not sure, this might be a little bit early for when the snow's due to arrive, But we'll have to see as we get closer how this pans out. But look at that. And then this is around Wednesday morning at around 7. Sorry, this is Wednesday at midnight Wednesday. You're seeing the heavy snow. And then 3 a.m., 6 a.m. seems to be pretty heavy snow, but the New York City area, it seems to be mixing a little bit with ice, which if it could just stay as ice and not rain, that would be an improvement for people who like snow, because we've been getting mostly just rain the last couple of years, as I keep saying. But look at here at 9 a.m. on Wednesday, we're in the thick of snow. And if that does actually verify and we get this, that would be probably the first significant snowstorm for New York City in, wow, at least 2 years. I'd have to check and go back on the records and let you guys know when that would have been. And here you see a little bit more mixing by 6 p.m., but still mostly snow. And then 9 p.m. If this is true, all day long we'll be having snow, and 9 p.m. it'll still be snowing pretty heavily, which is interesting. And then get a little bit breaking up, and then by the end of the day, by midnight, or approaching midnight, it's pretty much cleared up. So there's your snowstorm, and the next few days covered here. And we'll check back and see how this pans out over the next few days. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll get back to you soon. Take care.